How to change your Gmail password. In this video, we're going to show you how to change your Gmail password on your desktop or smartphone. On desktop, Step 1. Open your web browser and log into Gmail. Step 2. Click your profile photo located in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. In the box that appears, click the Google Account button to access your account settings. Step 4. On the left sidebar, click Security and you'll be directed to the Security page. Step 5. Look for the Signing into Google section and choose Password from the options provided. Step 6. Enter your current password when prompted to verify your identity and click Next. Step 7. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be taken to the Password page. Here, enter your new password and confirm it. Then click Change Password to complete the process. On Android, Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your phone. Step 2. Tap on Manage your Google account. Step 3. In the Privacy and Personalization section, select Security, then choose Signing into Google and Password. Step 4. Enter your new password and select Change Password. On iPhone, Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your device. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner and then select Manage your Google account. Step 3. Select the Personal Info tab and scroll down to the Basic Info section and select Password. Step 4. Enter your new password and select Change Password. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.